Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on Bumble notification. So let's get started right away. Launch open the Bumble application from your app drawer and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner. Once you get to your profile page, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notification settings. Simply go ahead and select the options from message notifications, match notifications or any other notifications, and make sure the buttons are toggled on right next to push notifications. Soon after you turn them on, you will then be able to receive notifications on Bumble. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.